Hey there, what's up? It's me Raki and welcome to this video. At the first I'm gonna say thank you that by watching the thumbnail you just decided to watch this video. So let me just drag you quickly on my screen. So as you can see that that's the agent we just built it today, and I'm gonna just explain everything to you. At the first I'm gonna say like what the agent gonna do. That's an important thing. So if I just came here again, so if I just show you that, if I just click in the open chat, so if I just give the URL of any business website, even like it's not related to the business website, if I just give a URL of a website, it will actually just, if I just show the results, if it will actually just extract the name of the business, email address also it will give you, and also it will give you a marketing gap, means what kind of gap, what kind of things that this business needs right now. It will just extract this information and just update it on the spreadsheet, and also it will just give you a simple solution so that before starting the meeting with that business owners or kind of this thing, you can just actually just take a look at this kind of things that business needs. And also the most important thing, by using this single workflow, I can also send the email to the business automatically, means like only giving the URL, this agent also sending an email. So let me show in quick in a live so that like you can understand that more better, and everything just happening in less than a minute. So I'll just go here, and in live I'm just going with whatever, like we just go in the real estate business kind of thing. So I'll just go with real estate in Florida. So I actually just need only one business website so that I can just show you. So like after coming the map, I can just go any website I want. So I'll just go with this one, Florida Lifestyle Realty. So I have to just come here again and I have to just find that website. Do they have any website or not? And obviously they have a website, and let me just go in the website. As you can see, that's actually loading right now. So that's the website here. So what I'll do, I actually just came here again. Yeah, that's all of the things. And I'll just copy the website address, then I'll just go here and I'll go in the open chat, and I have to just feed the website address to my agent. Then I'll just go in the enter, and right now as you can see, everything is just happening in less than a minute. So it just pushing to the AI agent. Now the AI agent was working, now it's just giving the information to the information instructor. Now everything is updating on the Google Sheets. Right now just also the Gmail has been sent it, and also the Google Sheets has been updated as like email sent. So let me just let me just show you that the sheet. So as you can see that we are just worked with this business view Florida beach houses, and as you can see it's extracted the email address and also the marketing gaps, what type of problem they has, SEO, content marketing, social media presence, these types of problems they has. And the solution is like improve your SEO strategy, create high value content that attracts potential renters, and create compelling posts on social media that highlights the brand. And also the email has been sent. So if I just show you in my email address, like if I just go to my email, so yeah, it's loading right now. So I have to just go in the send section, and yeah, as you can see that like it's right now 10:41, so it's 10:41. So this email has been sent. So at the first I'm going to show you the subject: boost your beach house bookings, quick wins for view Florida beach houses. It's also extracting the name, and I'm gonna say that like it's not like just a universal subject. For every email, for every URL, for every lead, it will actually just making random or just a unique subject. So here the email. So I just try to just making myself as a digital marketing agency. So this agent is working for myself, and I'm just saying that like, hey, I'm a digital marketing agency, so go and just find leads for myself and just also send emails, kind of this thing. So it says like, hey, view Florida beach houses team. And then look at the email, dude, you'll be blessed. So it says like, I'm reaching out from Upward Engine. So for example, that's my company, I'm the founder of that. It says to see if you are looking to maximize your bookings and online visibility, I have reviewed your website and see great potential, enhance your organic reach and attract more guests to your beautiful Florida beach houses. Okay, especially I noticed some opportunities to significantly improve your SEO strategy, create high value content that attracts potential renters, and create compelling posts on social media that highlights the brand. By implementing these changes, you can expect increases in visibility, website traffic, and most importantly, bookings. And dude, that's another level. And also it says like, would you be open to brief call to discuss how we can craft a custom digital strategy to elevate the business name like view Florida beach houses to the next level. Then it's just giving my name, just I'm just saying like, okay, give my name, then also just give a little bit content information about myself. It says like, I'm a digital marketing expert, though I'm not a digital marketing expert, I'm an automation expert. and then says like my company name, and also says I said like also just in every email just give my YouTube channel, just LinkedIn, and also calendar booking link. That's all the things. Can you imagine that? Like all the things in your eyes, like in the screen, you just saw that like everything happened less than a minute. I guess like it just took maybe 20 seconds. So if you are in these cases, you are just doing this work, hopefully you know that these types of work take tons of time. At the first you have to just go to, and obviously you have to just scrape all the URL, and then you have to just feed the URL, then you have to just maybe you have to just give this URL to an tool or maybe a person, then they have to just find out the problems, they have to research on that, maybe you are using AI tools, but they have to research on that, and after researching they have to find the problems, that have to just update on the spreadsheet or the Airtable, then they have to clarify this thing that is really or not, then they have to send email on those email addresses, but everything in like 20 seconds. So as you can see right now, I'm on new workflow. Instead of showing you my acting like, oh, I just did great, so I want to show you that everything in as simple as possible, like how you can just make this. So let's start everything from the beginning. So as you can see that's actually the new workflow. If you don't know about N8N, let me just save that. You have to just go to the N8N website, then you have to create an account, then you can just come here and then go with the create a new workflow, then you will become here. Very simple. You don't need a tutorial to just watch this. So this is the thing, and I'll just go in the plus icon, and at the first we have to just add a chat node. I'll go chat, and there's the chat trigger. So I'll not play with anything in here as it is, I'll just leave that. So then I have to just go with another node, and that's AI agent, and that's the AI agent is. So as you can see, that's the inside of the AI agent, and all of the things. I'll just not do anything, but I have to just go and add option. I'll go to the system message, and in here I have to just give the instruction, for example, like how it will work, what kind of things I need, what kind of things like it will have to do with the user input or kind of these things. So in here I have to just give the instructions, basically if I just say in very simple ways. So there will be the prompt that how the AI agent will really work. For example, in our case we want like kind of all of the information from a business. So what we'll give the URL of the business. So I have to just instruct here that, oh, I'll just give a URL, and from the URL you have to extract all the informations on that business website, and also extract the email address, and also just extract the business name, kind of this thing. And also I'll say that from that extracted information make a cold email, and also I'll just give the information of myself, like what I do, what the things like my business is about, like whatever business is like. For example, for our agent, that actually I'm just assuming that I'm a digital marketing agency. So all the cold email will be related with the digital marketing agency. So like it can understand better like for like what purposes it's approaching the clients, kind of this thing. So if I just show you that that's actually my prompt, so that like give you like clear interactions or kind of this thing. So as you can see that's actually the prompt, act like a digital marketing expert, cold email copywriter. So in your case it will be different. You are not a digital marketing expert. In your case maybe you are a video editor. Things will be different in your case. Even you are like a job seeker, kind of this thing. The prompt will be different. So I actually just made a customizable prompt. You can actually go and check out that after ending the video. You can just go there. So and also I said that like I will provide a website URL, and your task is, and right now I'm just saying that what you have to do. And at the first obviously I just given the role, and then I'm just giving the task explanation. So at the first you have to just go and website analyze. You have to analyze the website, you have to find the marketing gaps, and the second step I just given that you have to make a cold mail, and from the information depending on that you have to generate a cold mail, and also address the name, and if the business name is ABC Marketing, start with hi ABC Marketing team or ABC Marketing, kind of this thing. And also I say that like you don't have to be professional yet and friendly, focusing on the value and results you bring. And on the step 3 I'll just say that like extract the best email content, cause in the website there will be multiple email addresses. So I said that like extract the best email that goes for sending the cold email, kind of this thing. And also at the last said my agency info. For example, I said like assume that I am a digital marketing agency, so that like I'm just giving the information. My agency name is Upward Engine, and I just want to share my YouTube channel and also LinkedIn and also the calendar, so that like they can book with myself, kind of this thing. And yeah, basically this all the information will be same in your cases. So maybe you don't have any YouTube channel, so what you will just provide your website, kind of this thing. And also I just given the example of the output format, the website analyze, and the cold email, and the email address, paste email for outreach. And that's all the things. Let me check that if it works or not, but before that we have to add a brain to actually just functionalize this all the things. So to do that, I'm just going with the chat model, and in here I have to just add a chat here. So as you can see, there are like Anthropic chat models, OpenAI, and DeepSeek, Gemini's giant models, but those are actually not free. But I'm just going with the free model, and I'm just going with the open router, because by using open router actually I can get access with free models. And if you don't know about like how can you add open router, if you watched my previous videos, you know that, because I said it like multiple times, like how you can just go through it. And also I just in my videos one I just showed that how it really works. So in the chat model section I'm just going with free, and in here you can just find lots of free models. And obviously if you have DeepSeek or kind of these giant models, use that. So I'll just go with the Gemini Flash 2.0 experimental. Yeah, that's it. And I just added this model. Let me see that like is it works or not. So I'll just go in the open chat, and I have to just give a new business address. Let me just go with the new one. I'll go with this one, and I have to just go in the I need the website, by the way. Yeah, that's the website. I'll just go and copy that, and I have to just go again, and I saw where are you. Okay, let me see that is it goes and find the information or not. As you can see, it's working and it's given the datas. Yeah, boss, as you can see all the informations are here. And if I just show in schema and JSON format, it's all the informations will be here. It's not showing, like I'm just going the table format. Okay, so right now as you can see that this all of the outputs, for example, all of the things here, just it's really messy. And the AI or the next things, for example, I'm just gonna add the Gmail and the update to spreadsheet. Those nodes will not work in this case, because all of the information is under one section, which is called the output section. So right now we have to just divide the things, and you have to just classify the things for each and specific cases. For example, like if I show you that, to do that we have to just use a very cool tool, and I just found that, and this tool is really super cool. If you're a user of a N8N, I don't know, like do you know that about this tool or not? If you just go in the advanced AI section, you can just go with the information extractor. So that's the tool I'm just talking on. Believe me, super cool. So right now in the text section, I'll just feed all the outputs of the AI agents. I'll just drag that and put that in here. That's it. Then I have to just classify that for what you have to extract what. So I'll just go in the add attribute section. In the add attribute section, at the first I have to go with the name. So in the name section, I'll just go with as you can see, the first we want the company name or the business name. I'll just go with the company name. Yeah, that's the company name, and this is the name of the string, and the string name based on I'll just give I have to give the description for that for each and every string. So the company name will be, here is the company name. Very easy to do. So then I'll just go with the add attribute section, and again I have to just add here. I'll go with the email address. Make sure your description is very specific so that the AI can understand that for which string name you like, that will classify what information or what text, kind of this thing. So in the description section of the email address, I'll just say that like here, or just here will be the email address. Okay, email address only. So yeah, that's it. And then I'll go and add an attribute, and in this attribute section I have to add, for example, what can I add? The text of the email. So I'll just go in the email body. Yeah, email body. So that will be the email body. It's mean the only the the text of the body. So I'll just go in the here, say that here will be the email body, and don't contain the subject, because I saw that like when I was testing this, actually it also contains the subject of the email in the email body. So it will not work if you just contain the subject also inside of the email. It's not professional. Yeah, so we have to just separate the subject from the email. So yeah, we'll just again add an attribute, and where we'll say that like email subject, and here will be the subject of the email. So I'll just go and say again, here will be the subject of the email. Yeah, that's it guys. And then Okay, so then I'll just go and I have to just add this, all the things I actually need for sending the email, kind of this thing. And also right now we have to just find this thing, which are the marketing gap and the solutions. So based on that, I will just add these informations here. I'll just name this as marketing gap. Yeah, so based on the informations, I have to just say the description. It's mean here will be the marketing gap. Okay, marketing gaps, that's it. I have the marketing gaps, and then I'll just go and add another attribution, which will be the solution of the marketing. I'll just name as solution. Okay, solution, here will be the solution of the marketing, will be the solution of the marketing gaps. Okay, so I guess that's all I need, and as you can see that, yeah. So let me go and just try to test this, but before that I have to add an AI model in here as like this. So I'll just go and copy this thing, and I have to just go and yeah. So as like is this, I have to just try this, is it works or not. Let me go and just test this. It's executing the node. As you can see, my friends, it just, you know, company name is this, and the email address is this, and the email body is this, you know. That's super cool though. And as you can see, the email subject is this, boosting your online presence for your system realty, or that's the business name actually. So marketing gap is this, and the solution, if I show in a schema, you can understand better. As you can see, super good. And right now we have to just feed everything, and I hope like most of the things are done. So I'll just go and feed this to our spreadsheet. I'll just go with sheet, and I can just, you know, instead of using spreadsheet, you can also use the Google Airtable and whatever you use, even HubSpot or kind of this thing. So if you're using spreadsheet, you have to just go with the append or update row in sheet. So I'll just go with that. So at the first, if you are new, you have to just create a credential. It's very easy. We'll just go with the create credential and sign with Google, and it will just automatically connect with your spreadsheet. That's it. So I'll just go with close, and actually it's already connected, and I have to just go and just, you know, I'll not do anything here in here. So in the operation section, I'll just go here, append or update row. So on the go in the document section, in the document section I have to just choose the file, and I just choose the file name and the spreadsheet one. That's it. And now it will just give the all informations. As you can, it's loading right now, and here's all the things. So I'll just go and match. I'll just go with business URL, and also I'll just go with the business URL section, and like it will actually just need that in something that which we'll use to match the thing. So the business URL will be at the first, and the business URL will be obviously the input of the user. For example, in this case, it will under the when chat the message received. As you can see, the chat input will be the business URL, and the business name, as you can find this in here, which will be under the information extractor, because we actually just, you know, defined everything specifically. I just put the company name, the email address, also there's the email address, and the marketing gap. So I just go and marketing gap, just drag and drop, very simple. You don't need to understand the JSON code or JavaScript kind of this thing. You can do anything by using N8N. It's very simple to do. And I'll also go in the solution for the solution, and the email status. The email status, I not work with that. It's not right now. It will just work after 2 nodes. So yeah, as you can see, it's everything here. I'll just go and test the node. Let me see that it's working or not. Yeah, it says that it's updated. I'll just, if I came here, as you can see, the last sheet actually, or the last row, you can just find that the Florida System Realty, and that's all the information. So as you can see, the last column is empty because we didn't yet send the email here. So what I have to do here, I have to just go here again. So I have to just work with that right now. So I'll just go in the plus icon, and right now we have to send the email at the first. So to do that, I'll just go in the Gmail, and I'll just add the Gmail here. So in this section, I'll just go with the send a message. So this one, and yeah, that's it. So as like the spreadsheet, you have to just go in here and you just go in the create new credential section if you're new. And as like me, I just already connected. I'll just go in the message, operation send, and in the to section, which will be the email address. So you can find this, that we actually just, you know, define that what will be the email address. That's the email address. Under the information extractor, I just go and drag and drop that. The subject, obviously we can find under the information extractor, because we actually just separate the thing. That's the email subject, and make sure that you're actually using the email type from HTML to text, so that actually it can understand the space where the space are. So I'll just go in the message section, and the message will be obviously the email body. That's it, just drag drop. And all the things here, I'll just go in the test tab. As you can see, it's sent, boom. So if I just go here on my email, if I just came here again, if I just go in the send section, as you can see, this right now this email just sent it. If I just came here again, you can see that the email address, obviously the Florida, and the subject is like boosting your online presence, Florida System Realty. Hi Florida System Realty team, I noticed your strong focus on serving clients, Florida competitive marketing. I'm Raken Zakaria, digital marketing expert at Upper Engine. It will be different obviously if you're a video editor. It will say like, I'm a video editor, my name is this, and I help businesses like you to attract more clients, international clients, kind of this thing. Your website has a great foundation about the moderation, design, improving SEO keywords like Florida, real estate, international buyers, and developing valuable content. You can significantly increase its visibility. So it's actually just focusing on the keywords. So if they're saying like, if you use these keywords for the real estate, international buyers, you will get more clients. Then also it says a strong social media presence. Also it can give you a lot of clients, kind of this thing. Would you be open to a brief call? And here's my calendar link, kind of this thing. And at the end you can see that it will actually show this email was sent automatically by N8N. So if you just came here again, and at the last, if you just go in the add option, and if you just go in the append N8N attribution, if you turned off this, the message will not show. And if I just show you again, test the step, it will send the message again. And I'm sorry for the real estate owner that I'm just sending messages to you. So yeah, if I just show you again, as you can see, that's the message again, send it in here. I just refreshing this, and right now the message that has sent it from, as you can see, this message is not here, that this message has been sent by using N8N. So that's how you can actually use that. So let me just go, and as you can see in how it's still empty, the email status that we didn't know that the email has been sent or not. So what we'll do, we actually just go in there again, and we'll go with the spreadsheet. There's the spreadsheets, and we'll just go with the again update or append row. And in this section we have to just go and just choose the same thing, and like this. So then we have to just, as you can see, it's loading right now. So we only have to update the email status. So before that we have to just make sure that you actually by what depending it will just match. So I'll just go with the business URL, and also I'm just putting the business URL here. So obviously the business URL is the input of the chat. So I'll just go in the, as you can see, chat input, and by depending this, it will just actually update the email status. So what gonna just as like will be updated. For example, I'm gonna just say like send it. So then I'll just say add a emoji here as like a tick emoji, so that like it will just look good. You can just go with anything, write anything. So that's it. I'll just go with test step. As you can see, it's loading. Yeah, it's all done. If I just go here again, it's send it. So that's all the things. I hope like this video helped you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more content on business automation, AI agents, and AI strategies for businesses. Inshallah, you'll even get more values in the future. And if you're looking to automate your business tasks or have a plan to customize any kind of business setup, you can schedule a free consultation with me by using the link in the description box. And if you need all the informations that I used, for example the template and all the things, the prompts and these kind of things, and you want to just do this by customizing by yourself, so I had also given the link of this, all the informations. You can just go and just check out this. So I just uploaded everything on the Gumroad, so you can just go there and just download everything. Obviously those are not free, I'm sorry for that, but if you use this and if you just download all the things, on the templates from there, and if you see the video, and if you're really new in this cases, you can do that. And I hope like if you're an N8N user and if you just saw this, you can actually just do this everything by yourself. So how you can just use the template, by the way, this is actually for the people who are newbie. And if you just go in here, and you have to just go in the import from file, and if you download the template, you have to just go in the template section. So there's a template, and the template will be in JSON format, JSON file. And if you just open that, all the things will be just in automatic. So you have to just something, if you want to update, you can update that. So everything will be here, and you have to just do a little bit update. For example, you have to just update your Google Sheet, because it's right now added with myself, and also the Gmail, and also the this Google Sheet. And also you can actually change the chat model if you delete this, and you can just add a chat model. For example, if you want to just add OpenAI chat model, you can just go with that. You have to just create a credential, you know, you have to just give the API key. That's all of the things, and yeah, that's it. Peace out.